Why are you always confused regarding selling your digital products and how to earn money online? So in today's video, I'm going to show you two beautiful and stunning applications or websites that you can depend on to build your own empire selling your digital items and away from any competition. So follow me in this tutorial step by step. And the first website for sure is Ask to Income tool in incomesify.com. Here you can go to this URL, sign up for free, then you can land on this amazing tool, turn real questions into revenue systems. This amazing tool depends on the people also ask questions, the most pressing questions from real people. They are asking daily on Google. So here you can find this amazing tool packed with over 80 niches, the highly demanded niches, and about 4,000 hot and trending topics. So here you can land on this amazing tool, okay, after registration completely for free. Here in its free trial, it gives you 5 credits. So now we can over to this niche. First, you can select your own niche you are interested in to build your own business or to convert these questions to income in. So I can actually simply go to the first one, ADHD, knowledge base. Then it enables you to choose your topic, the most trending topic regarding and around this hot niche. So I can just scrap this one and go to the last one, how to help a child with ADHD. Then you can find here a set of these questions here extracted directly from Google people also ask section. So I can select someone like this one, what is the best way to discipline a child with ADHD, or how to deal with a child or a kid with ADHD or something like that. So click over this one. Then it's time now to actually go to income opportunity report. This is a golden sheet and report here in the Ask to Income tool. Then when you click over this one, generate your report just in few seconds here, about 30 seconds. Here you can find an amazing report like this one. Here, this one like monthly snapshot, read this first, estimated monthly revenue potential here. Difficulty score moderate, okay. Time to income estimate 3 to 6 months. The best monetization method right now currently regarding this question itself, the online courses, okay. Here you can find the real demand analysis here, the rising trend, okay, search volume, geographic hotspots, okay. And you can find the related questions by search intent, information, transaction, and the comparison here that enables you to show the big picture, how you can build your own content around this specific niche to build your authority, even if you have a blog or YouTube channel or account on TikTok, Instagram, and so on. But here you can find and highlight this amazing section, rising careers, low competition, growing demand. Here you can find this one if you want to build your own business here away from any competition. The first one, like mindfulness techniques for ADHD kids, okay, and positive reinforcement strategies for ADHD, and HD friendly education tools, okay. So you can actually just underline these amazing ideas, the rising queries regarding this question. So now we can passing through the top 3 monetization models here, okay, and go to the earning deep dive. Then you can find here this amazing one, the competition gaps. For sure in this ADHD niche, for sure, and for kids, for sure is highly competitive. But here you can go away from any competition just by going to different and an amazing unique angles. Like this one, the gap opportunities. Like this one, interactive tools for parents to track progress. It's an amazing idea, by the way. Here you can find this angle to just build your own authority here for this one. That means you can actually create something like SaaS tool or spreadsheets and so on. Resources tailored for specific age groups is awesome one, okay. Just not go for the broad ages for kids, so you can make your own tool and your niche just for a specific category or a specific age area. Community driven support forums and so on. So here recommended starting points and so forth. So here you can just rely on incomesify.com ask to income tool to open your eyes for the different gaps, for different opportunities. If you just want interested in a specific niche, so you can just narrow your niche to a unique angle and a specific sub niche. Okay, that's way. And here for sure regarding this niche, when you want to actually create your own content on YouTube videos and social media, blog and so on, here you can go to content growth asset pack. Here you can convert your question to beautiful real income stream just by converting this question to blog articles optimized for SEO and for AI search engines, video script, social thread, LinkedIn post, carousel post content, clusters, Pinterest pins, TikTok hooks, YouTube titles, and much more. Then you can go to this one 30-day execution roadmap. Okay, so the first tool here you have to keep in your mind right now from now on is ask to income, so you can convert any question from people to beautiful income stream. So now Riemann, secondly, the tech is a second website here, how and where we can create these digital products. So here if we actually take this question again, okay, that's for ADHD for kids, and I can go for something like for this one, the rising queries like mindfulness techniques for ADHD kids. And of course, if you want to actually create a digital product around this specific item and this specific query, low competition and growing demand, so I can copy this whole sentence as it is and go to this awesome website that says chatz.ai. It's the newest MLL or chat model out there, but it's mind-blowing. So here on this amazing website, you can sign up for free. Then insert here your own query like this. So I can go back to my own ask to asset. Okay, copy, and go to Z AI, paste. Then you can go to this tool as is this feature as you see. Then you can find these beneath this search bar or this chat box, and then you can choose AI slides here. Okay, then you've got to pick one of these amazing templates, so I can pick this one or this one as you like. Then go to this arrow, send message, and just in few minutes you can find this awesome result like this. Mindfulness for ADHD guide here, empowering children through presence. As you observe why mindfulness matters, it's awesome and beautiful pages here or slides to make your own guide that you can provide for your parents, and your audience completely for free or with a paid digital product and so on. Approach understanding the ADHD, amazing benefits of mindfulness activities for ADHD, more implementing mindfulness daily as you see. It's awesome and amazing guide here, just you can provide your own digital product for your audience in a specific angle and highly demanded. And for sure we can go back again to how you can actually make content around this product or this niche. As I said earlier, here you can go back again to ask to income here. Then you can convert this question as you want to beautiful growth and content asset packs. Okay, that's it. And for sure it covers most of these social media like TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, Twitter, X, LinkedIn for carousel posts, so that you can actually publish your own carousel post in any platform you want as you like. You can make your mini course if you want to just go the most competitive digital product here, but in a specific and unique angle here, it would work and would be more profitable. Ebook, Notion template, SaaS ideas. For sure you can get many of these amazing profitable SaaS ideas or digital funnels here. It's better for you to actually go through this amazing ask to income tool and try from now on. Okay, and of course here you can go specifically, actually you can get something like this idea as you want, copy and go back again to ask to income, and here you can find this box. Here you can answer to your own question to build your own income report specifically for this unique angle or for this specific question or idea. And for sure, it requires you to upgrade your account from a free to the power plan, the start point. Okay, so now you can depend on this one to sell your digital products, the engine for you, the ask to income tool, and for sure the digital product creation. So basically you can use z.ai. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.